First Nations and other isolated communities in Canada have faced a drinking water crisis for the last couple of decades. A major difficulty with providing clean water is the location of these Indigenous communities, with many situated far from major cities and water infrastructure. For this reason, we are attempting to provide low-cost solutions for the testing and treatment of drinking water which numerous First Nations rely on for survival.
Our solution to this problem is our cheap, simple, and modular filter, also known as the CSM filtration system. Our filter was designed with affordability in mind, with as much excess costs removed while not trading in reliability for price. Additionally, all the extra materials removed from the design allowed us to make it as simple as possible for the user. On the side, 4 LED lights relay all necessary information about filter health, repairs, and water quality. Additionally, many parts of the filter can be bought at local hardware stores, further decreasing the difficulty and knowledge required to repair or replace most parts of the filter. Finally, and most importantly, the filter is modular. The entire thing is split into 3 major parts, with the costly filtration pieces spread evenly between them. That way, even if a major part breaks, the user only has to detach and replace that part for the filter to start working again. Cheap, simple, and modular is what gives us the edge over all the other filters out there. This mantra is what really makes us stand out from the crowd.
The filter can be easily installed into the water main of any house, with the ends designed to attach to standard Canadian water pipe sizes. Additionally, a drain going to a water outtake pipe must be added to the end of the filter for the reverse osmosis byproduct, as well as a connected electrical cable to provide power to the filter. However, due to our light and simple design, full installation could be completed in an hour by an average plumber.
Our CSM filter works by first running water through a UV light. Located at the front of our design, the light either kills or sterilizes organisms in the water such as E. coli to prevent people from becoming sick. Next, the sterilized water passes into the mechanical and carbon filter, which removes all pieces of debris and dirt, as well as most chemical components in the water. After this, the water moves to the final and most expensive part of the filter, the reverse osmosis filter. Reverse osmosis uses a semi-permeable membrane to remove any additional unwanted molecules from the water, releasing it into the byproduct drain pipe, which then quickly leaves the house. Finally, chemical, dirt, and biological contaminants have all been removed, leaving clean and pristine drinking water for the household to enjoy.
There are 3 main sources of expenses in this project: the reverse osmosis filter, or RO filter, the mechanical filter, and the ultraviolet light filter, or UV filter. The cost of the RO filter can be broken down into the cost of the parts used to make the filter. These costs add up to a total of $230. The cost of the mechanical filter can be split into the cost of the materials and the cost to manufacture the parts. These expenses add up to a total of about $110. The final part of the filter setup is the UV filter. The cost of the UV filter can be broken down into the cost of the parts off the shelf, and the cost of the materials, and the cost to manufacture some parts. The cost of these parts add up to about $65. The cost of these 3 segments of the filter, when brought together, add up to a total of $405, which is about mid-range pricing for a reverse osmosis filter system.
Our CSM filter was built with the future in mind, using renewable materials and responsible products to stand by the people, profit, planet mantra. Much of the outer casing utilizes 6063 aluminum for maximum recyclability, and we designed the filter per the strict Energy Star efficiency requirements to ensure as low energy use as possible.
Our website helps us to better reach people and show the other products offered by Aquaseer. Along with the filter, we have other designs for testers that check the concentration of dissolved solids in the water that you can attach to your sink or even to connect to your phone. This will not only allow people to know how safe their water is before they drink it, but will also make it possible to map the water quality in certain areas to alert officials of problem zones. These are designs and ideas that would be further developed to be offered alongside the filter, because everybody should have access to clean water.
Overall, our cheap, simple, and modular filter provides a compact water package for any house, no matter if it's located in a big city or a difficult-to-reach indigenous community. Additionally, our energy-efficient design and environmentally friendly materials make our CSM water filtration system a compelling solution for both the present and the future.